Hey, it's Uptown Swing, and I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Maddie, and this is level 3.
We did a bunch of fun stuff in Swingout Plus Month. It was the second week, and we focused on really polishing the edges of the Swingout. So one thing that we did for leaders specifically was we focused on 3 and 4 moving down a line. That looks like this. 3 and 4 is moving down a line instead of cutting the corner, making this candy cane shape. And then we also added for leaders, worried about this count 5 not being coming from the shoulders, but actually just being a continuation. So that's 1, 2, down the line, a little continuation of that step instead of the dreaded shoulder.
For follows, we talked about candy caning around the lead and how sometimes you're just trying to get around them and you end up making your swing out more circular than we want it. So something that would look like, to be very exaggerated about it. But we talked more about how we switch places and we want to keep that as linear as possible.
Lastly, we did forward-facing swing out. That looked like this. Let's do it this way so the crowd can see it, and the crowd goes wild. Leaders, you take a step backwards and move your hand down to your side, and followers,
go forward and rock it. Really swivel on your way in.
And that's what we did.